Hey, gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this video is to show you how an IT guy looks on a daily basis. Yeah, that's pretty much how we look. Now, this video is set up a docking station. So this is an HP docking station. I don't know 100% exactly what kind of docking station it is. It is, but I will have it in the description. But this is a new one I'm going to use for my current position. So let's open it up and find out. It's an unboxing and a setup. It's two videos in one. All right, so let's get to, we got the block of cheese and some nice lovely cardboard. And oh, this is a mini thingy. Okay, this is totally different. I haven't seen this one before. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. It's such a little cute docking station. And let's see what we got on here. A light would be fantastic. Let's see if I can reach it. Holy shit. Okay. All right. So we've got Ethernet. We've got two display ports. We've got two Ethernet port or USB ports. Sorry, not Ethernet ports. We've got a HDMI. We've got one of those. I never know what to call these things. These little guys. And yeah, there's one in the front. Just because I never really have the opportunity to use them because I never need them. So there's that. There's that. You know what would be helpful is the other. Oh, here it is in the box. Is the other end of this cord. In order to plug it in. So let's get this baby set up, shall we? All right, so I don't have a lot of room to work here, so until I become a big and famous YouTube personality and star, which is going to happen the 12th of never, we'll deal with what we have here. So here's the power block. It's 120 volts. A lot of voltage for your little docking. So much voltage for your little docking station. So I'm not sure I have to show you how to plug in the freaking block. I'm sure you all know how to do it, but anyways, there you go. All right, so we got to find both ends. I'm always looking for both ends in life and in docking stations. Okay, here's the power cord. I'm sure you've plugged in power cords before in your life. If not, then I guess I should make a video about how to plug in a power cord, huh? All right, so that's into the power. Now we got to find the other end. Da-da-da-da-da. All right, there's the other end. So let's get that baby in there, and now she's all powered. Okay. So on these HPs, I don't know if I'm too keen on this. I've mentioned this before in other docking stations. This cord's connected to the unit. You can't really replace it if something happens to it. I'm all for having disposable cords you can pull out, cords you can replace in the IT world, just because cords happen. Some of the dumbest things that happen as far as troubleshooting and stuff is just stuff not plugged in or bad cords. But anyways, I'm not saying this HP cord is going to go bad in any way, anytime, but it's just a personal preference. So here's the other end of the docking station that goes into your laptop like that. Okay, now any peripheral device that you put into this docking station now is going to be read by your computer and be utilized by your computer. Now, because I have just little space, I don't have a lot of space, I don't think I'm going to be setting up a monitor. I have a wireless keyboard for my main computer, so I'm just going to put that on my tower on the floor, on the top of the tower on the floor, so I have room for this wired keyboard that's coming at you. This is the one that's going to go into the docking station, and at some point I'll get another wireless, and of course it's all tangled up because why wouldn't it be? And yeah, it's just annoying that I don't have a lot of workspace here. So all right, so here's a USB port. There's for your keyboard. All right, and then here comes your mouse. Your mouse is coming at you. Look out, babies. And, of course, now my mouse is all wrapped around my headphones. Oh, my God. Someone help me with my life. All right. So, as you see, the optical mouse is on. And the mouse for my main desktop is also wireless. So I'll put that down on there, too. All right. So there we go. Simple connections. And then Right here, you've got your display ports, and then you got your HDMI. So you can put 3 monitors in that baby if you want to. Right now, I'm just going to have the laptop put in there so I can use my peripherals being the keyboard and the mouse that I just dropped on the ground. Now, this docking station is plug and play. So basically, if you're not aware what that means, once you plug in the docking station, the computer is going to know what to do with it. There's nothing you have to configure or anything. There are rare instances where you do have to update the firmware. I think as just a regular day consumer using the docking station, don't even concern yourself with it. It's a very rarity that it ever comes up. Does it come up? Yes. Does it come up a lot? Hardly ever, but there are situations where you have to do that. So let me just grab my camera here and show you that. If you can see, it just annoys me that, where's my mouse? There's my mouse, if you can see it. And let's bring up a notepad. It just annoys me I don't have a lot of space, but this video is not about my annoyance of the level of space I have. Okay, so you can see that. So the keyboard's working good, if you can see that. Yep, you should be able to. Okay, so great docking station. I mean, what can I say? How do you screw up a docking station when you're like a Dell or an HP or something like that? I mean, it's as advertised. As it comes. I like that's really small. It's probably one of the most compact docking stations that I've used before. It's not any different than any other docking station. It has those quick connections that I never can remember the name of on there, which I never even freaking utilize. And they're there. Is it used by a lot by consumers? Are those ports used a lot? Not at this point, but maybe. I'm trying to think of a port that used to be that they would put on. Okay, take the cable box behind me. There's a USB port in the cable box. I mean, it's okay to charge your phone with the USB port. I don't know why they ever put them on there. I don't think they'll ever be utilized for anything beyond that. So that's just an example. So now the only thing I have to focus on is to the fact that, okay, I have 2 keyboards and 2 mice now, so I have to remember which one is what. I know that's not your problem. I don't know. I'm just annoyed today. My level of annoyance is off the charts for some reason. I'm just annoyed that I don't have room and space. So I bring that up to tell you this. Please subscribe to the channel because, yes, I would love to make some money off my channel and be in a better situation than I am now as far as my surroundings. And I would love to have more room and another desk. And, you know, I'd like to be Oracle from Batman, if you know who that is. It's when Batgirl was shot by the Joker and she was paralyzed. And then she came back as what was called Oracle. And she would sit at this huge computer system and help Batman out the way she could on her computer. I want to be Oracle. All right, gals and guys, I don't know where that came from, but thank you as always. If you could like this video, if you liked it. As far as a review on this docking station, it's great. I love the HP docking stations. I've used several of them, and they're all pretty much the same. As far as deciding which one to get, maybe you want the newer, quicker connections, which I guess I would recommend for future devices that come along. I'm not a freaking inventor or a scientist. I don't know what future devices are coming along. I just fix them. I don't invent them. So maybe this would be very recommended to this day and age for future use. But hey, it uses the devices and the peripherals that are out now. And that's all I can say. So what did I say? Did I say subscribe? Did I say like this video? Please like this video. Don't hate it. Don't down it. Share this with someone who's looking for a docking station. And then there's one more thing. Oh yeah, hit that stupid bell for updates. And I appreciate you as always, gals and guys. I got to get to work, and I'll make some more videos, and we'll have bunches of fun. And I'll catch you later. Bye.